We often get asked, why do some people get released from jail after they're arrested and others don't? Who makes that decision? Well, it's complicated, so let's unpack it. When police arrest someone, they take them to jail. The jail is run by the sheriff. But the sheriff does not decide whether to release a person or hold them. Someone called a recognizance officer reviews a person's past criminal record and what they're charged with to determine if they can be released. To figure that out, they look at a list of rules drawn up by judges. The recognizance officer applies those rules. They do not get to make any choices on their own about whether or not to release someone. So how did we get here? Well, in 2022, the legislature modified the rules for pretrial release by enacting a law called SB 48. This law required the Chief Justice of the Oregon Supreme Court to create a broad set of rules that apply across the state for who will remain in jail until arraignment and who will be released to appear later at arraignment. SB 48 also requires local, county presiding judges to enter more specific orders with details on the circumstances that will cause certain people charged with crimes to be released before seeing the judge. The recognizance officer reviews all of these orders and determines which people must be released and which must remain in jail at that time. If a person is released, they sign a release agreement, and they're told when to appear in court for their arraignment, where they are formally informed of their charges in front of a judge. If a person is held in jail, their arraignment must occur promptly. No defendant can remain in jail for more than 48 hours without a judge reviewing their case and determining that there is probable cause. Whether a person has been released or held in jail, all people charged with crimes will be arraigned in open court. This will be the first opportunity for the prosecutor and defense attorney to argue to the judge about whether someone should be released, whether bail should be set, or whether a person can be held without bail. After hearing arguments from the lawyers, the judge will make a release decision and the case will move forward. However, not all people who are released prior to arraignment show up to court. If a person fails to appear when they're supposed to, the court will issue a warrant for their arrest. When police locate a person with a warrant, they arrest them and take them to jail. And then the entire process starts all over again.